Hello adventurers and welcome to Charlestown. Today we're going to explore the Harbour and Shipwreck Museum. Charlestown is based in Cornwall, and this week we are travelling around Cornwall, Devon and Weymouth. So hope you like the tour, and we'll take lots of pictures and more videos, and if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. So adventurers, we're heading in now to the Shipwreck Treasure Museum in Charlestown, Cornwall. Let's see what's inside. Hello adventurers, welcome to the end of the tour. This is where we finished today in Charlestown, and it's starting to actually rain right now. But this is a beautiful coastal town of Cornwall. You can see behind me, during a nice, beautiful, sunny day, this area will be flocked with people. And then we have the port behind me as well. Now we're at the edge of the port in Charlestown, and just looking at the last of the day. Our tour today has taken us to the Shipwreck Museum. So hey, thanks for watching. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, because we've got more videos like this just coming up. And wow, it's raining, so I'm going to have to go. Take care. See you later, guys. Until next time.